Okay, you're on.
Hello. All right, it is Thursday.
Yes.
Day 4. We are just trucking right through Ireland. I would like to stay and visit for a little bit longer, but we have today, we have tomorrow. These are all some of the games that we played this week, so I'm gonna push that over there. All right, so today we are going to make our Ireland scene. So just dump out your bag. You got a lot of stuff in there. Just dump it out. Boop, boop, boop. All right, dump it out, sort it out. You know, we like to sort and see what we have. So we should have some cubes. I don't think you need 3 cubes. Maybe unless you wanted to put your pot of gold on it. So maybe.
That's a good idea.
You either have 2 or 3. I don't know. All right, then you have a boy, a girl. You should have some 4-leaf clovers and some 3-leaf clovers.
Cute.
America. Ireland.
Yeah. I was gonna say, does it count? Will I get lucky if I pick this 4-leaf clover up?
Yes.
I've never found like one in real life.
Oh, that's why we have a little leprechaun.
Oh, cute.
All right. Definitely putting him by the pot of gold. All right. So you have a green piece of paper. You have a rainbow. You have Blarney Castle. I want to visit it. So bad.
Oh yeah, I think a castle would be beautiful.
And they have so many cliffs. It is just beautiful. Beautiful. All right. So open your green paper in front of you. Okay? Remember, I'm doing it backwards, so you should be looking at it this way. Get the kick out on the right. Although, I guess it doesn't matter too much. All right. So the very first thing we're going to do is, this is going to be the land. This is going to be the skyish. So we are going to put our cliff somewhere in here. I think I'm going to put mine up high so it hangs off the page just a little bit.
Makes it bigger.
Yeah. Now, don't worry about all this extra space because the castle is going to go here. Okay, so we're going to have the castle there and the cliffs here, and then we'll put the rainbow on. So, figure out where you want it. Flip it over. Give it some glue. And then flip it back over. I'm going to have mine hanging up a little bit. Okay. And then, let's see. I'll do my castle last. I want to see where I want my rainbow.
Aww.
So you can either just glue it on wherever you want, or if you bend it, it'll kind of be 3D.
Oh, that's cool.
I think I'm going to bend mine.
Yeah.
So if you flip it over, you just fold a little piece up. And then fold a little piece of this. So it looks like that.
Makes it look realistic.
We're going to glue this. That's what I'm going to glue. You don't have to. You can just glue it on. But I'm going to do this. So I'm going to put glue on this flap. And I'm going to put glue on that flap. And then I'm going to hope it sticks. All right. So, yeah, let's see. Maybe like that. Can you see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's cute.
Is it sticking out?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. All right, that's what I'm going with then.
It's cute. It makes it look realistic.
Hard to see from
It's
this side.
ending at the cliffs.
All right. Then, Blarney Castle. We're going to glue it to this front flap. Okay? So, take your glue, put it right on that flap. That's it. It's the only place you're putting it. And then, push your castle on. There you go. Cute. And then we have a pot of gold. We have some clovers. All of these you can glue wherever you want to make your scene. I think I might put my, what does that look like if I put it on the wall? Should I put it on the wall or the ground?
I don't know. Put it near the rainbow.
Oh, like here?
Yeah, like it's at the end of the rainbow.
Ooh, I wonder if I could kick it up.
Ooh, that's cute like that.
Okay, so you guys could put it wherever you want. Miss Stacy is saying to kick it and make it stand, so I'm gonna put glue just on the side.
I don't know. I like when
Good thing is about these scenes is you can do whatever you want.
That's what I was gonna say. I like when kids do, because sometimes they'll do something totally different, but it's still really neat.
Yeah, that was a good idea. It's hard for me to see from this.
Yeah, no, it looks cute.
Let me
Yeah.
turn it around. Oh, cute. Cute, cute.
It makes it look like the rainbow realistic in the sky.
Cute, cute. All right. Clovers. Wherever you want. Just stick them around. Oh, Miss Chrissy cannot wait to get this cast off.
How long do you have it on for? I think
3 more weeks.
Okay.
Do-do.
So cute.
I like it.
Have you ever found a 4-leaf clover? Like a real one in the grass?
No, but I've looked and looked and looked.
Me too.
My sister has.
Yeah. I've seen them before in the past where you can, like...
I think you can buy them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good job. Just go find 4-leaf clovers and sell them.
Woo! Almost ripped him. He's stuck to that glue.
Oh, that's neat.
All right. So once you are finished with all your clovers, we're gonna make our character stand up. So we have our leprechaun. I'm gonna flip him over. Put some glue. Put your block. Ooh. Flip. Flip. Put some glue. Some glue. And your block. Boop. All right. There we go. Let's see. How am I going to arrange them? I think they're going to go visit the Blarney Castle, hand in hand, and
Hiding.
he's going to be hiding.
That's cute. That's what I would have done too. It's cute.
Make him hide over here. There you go. All right.
Cute.
That is our Ireland scene. That turned out cute.
It is cute. I like the way you did the rainbow.
All right, so last day is tomorrow of Ireland. We're gonna play a memory game. So join me here tomorrow at 9:15. Don't forget that this is part of the Around the World series. 12 countries. You can do 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and you'll get a new country every month. All right, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.